This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, March 27th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some thunderstorms raging over the deep south into eastern and southern Texas, some cloudiness with some snow over the Rockies and into the Pacific Northwest. That could affect south and west of the state later in the week. Here's the watch warning map from last evening. You can see there's the severe thunderstorm and tornado watches to the south, winter weather advisories to the east, to the west, and to the northwest. Nothing much over the state of Iowa except river flooding. Here's the QPF chart. This is over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see very little, if any, precipitation over the state, with maybe a tenth or a quarter of an inch over the southern counties, and that could mean with that storm on Tuesday. Here's the GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a vortex west of the state, a wavy pattern down below. The easterly flow, been persistent over the last few days, will continue to be so. Cooler temperatures, dry conditions with maybe a few flurries out west. Same goes for Monday. This is at 1 o'clock. You can see some precipitation trying to move into the western counties of the state, but the easterly wind is going to keep it dry. Here's Tuesday. Whereas yesterday we saw big snows coming through the state, here the easterly flow is going to keep all the precipitation mainly to the south and west, and that's where it will snow. By Wednesday, that storm is now gone and south and east of the state, so in between this time, Tuesday and Wednesday, there will be some light snow over the extreme southern counties, as was what the QPF chart showed. We move ahead to Thursday. Dry with some precipitation to the northwest and to the south. Nothing much else. And we head into Friday. You can see here comes a storm system moving in. Some rain or snow possible. Maybe a little bit of a mix. Amounts look to be light here. We head to Saturday. That moves off. Looks like temperatures will be close to average, maybe in the 40s to around 50. Lows around upper 20s, low 30s. Move ahead Sunday, a week from today. You're going to see a little bit of a trough out west of the state, ridge over the eastern part of the country. Down below at the surface, a low pressure system forming over about Salina, Kansas. Warm front extending to the northeast of that. That can mean that looks to be our next big chance of maybe some severe weather or thunderstorms. We move ahead. This is into voodoo country, but this is a week from tomorrow, Monday, April 4th. You can see that low has now moved to Detroit, Michigan. Colder air behind that. That can mean some snow possible. We now move ahead to Thursday, April 7th. Here comes another system. This could mean some cold rain and or snow, or a mix possible then with a clipper type system. And here's the end of the forecast period. On April 11th, you can see a large trough over the eastern part of the country with a southwesterly flow aloft. Down below that, a big 1032 millibar high with a lot of cold air over Canada seeping into the United States. That could mean some rain, snow, thunderstorms. All of it's possible by then. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.